I had no idea walking in heels would be this hard. Hi, I'm Nimi. Welcome to my channel. All right, first time holding real heels. They actually look pretty nice. I like the gold part in the front, it really stands out. And the texture, it's softer than I expected. Honestly, I thought they'd be heavier. Okay, let's try one on. The heel still makes me a bit nervous. I don't know how people walk in these. All right, here goes. Okay, walking in heels is way harder than I imagined. My balance is all over the place and I keep looking down like that's going to help. I feel kind of awkward, like everyone would notice if I walked like this in public. But at the same time, it's kind of exciting. I've been wanting to try this for a while. So yeah, first steps, kind of messy, but I'm doing it. I keep thinking I'm going to twist my ankle, but I haven't yet, so that's a win. The heels make me feel taller, obviously, but also different. Like I'm stepping into a new version of myself. It's scary, sure, but it also feels kind of powerful. And honestly, I'm surprised I haven't given up already. I thought I'd walk 2 steps and sit down. This one's already starting to hurt. I didn't think it'd be this tight. Let me fix it a bit. I'm not sure if these actually fit me right. They don't hurt exactly, but they feel strange. Like I'm always about to lose balance. Every step still feels like a little risk. But I guess that's part of learning, right? I mean, at least I'm trying. That has to count for something. I still don't know if I'm doing this right. Every time I take a step, I feel like I'm going to fall. Maybe heels just aren't for me. But then again, I've made it this far without stopping. It's not perfect, but I'm standing and moving. That has to mean something. I'm starting to feel a bit more stable. Not confident yet, but at least not panicking. There's still that wobble in every step, but it's less scary now. Maybe it's not about doing it perfectly, just not giving up. And right now, I think that's enough for me. I've always wondered what it would feel like to wear heels. Not just try them on, but actually walk in them. Every movement needs extra focus. Nothing about this feels automatic. I keep thinking about how people wear these all day. Like, how do they make it look so easy? Right now, I'm just trying to stay upright, one step at a time. The height feels unnatural, but kind of cool. It changes how I move, how I stand, even how I think. I can't lie, it's uncomfortable in places. My toes are a little squished, and I feel pressure in my ankles. But at the same time, I get it. There's something about the shape, the sound they make when I walk, the way they shift my posture. It makes me feel different, like I'm stepping into something new. Not better, not worse, just new. I guess that's what this is about. Trying something unfamiliar, seeing if I can do it, even if it's clumsy. Right now, I'm not worried about how I look. I'm just learning how this feels. And for some reason, that feels kind of good. Almost lost my balance again. Second time in less than a minute. It's like my feet don't trust the ground. I'm trying to stay focused, but it's exhausting. One more slip and I'm calling it a day. Actually, yeah, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.